Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Suno AI for different music genres, from pop to rock to EDM and beyond. Let's dive in. First, head over to suno.com and log into your account. Then here you can create or click the create or new track to start generating your AI songs. Then here's where the magic happens in the prompt box. This is the secret to getting different genre to clearly specify the style, the mood, instruments, or vocal vibe you want. Here are the sample genre-specific prompts here. There are pop prompt, rock prompt, EDM prompt, or classical prompt. You can prompt whatever genre that you like. You need to specify what type of genre that you want to prompt by the AI assistant. Then, if the version isn't quite what you wanted, you need or you can edit the prompt. You can adjust the mood, the tempo, or the instrument, then regenerate. Small tweaks often lead to a huge improvement. And once you're happy with your track, download the audio file. And then you can use other tools to enhance the EQ, volume, and add extra effects for a pro finish. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Suno AI for different music genres like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.